cow leg. This is the cow leg. You can see the hoof. This is the cow leg. It's resulted to this, so we can easily use this as an alternative to real kpomo. Actually, it's actually real kpomo. So what I did, the cow leg, you tell them in the store wherever you buy it to cut it for you, medium size, not small, so that you'll be able to get the skin without having to do much work. So what I did, I got it here like this. I'm just going to use a few to give an example, okay? Then I rinse it very well. You have to rinse it very well. Rinse it very well. Twice. Rinse it very, very well, okay? And then I put it in this is a baking sheet. Put it in a baking sheet. This cow leg. What I did, I put it in the oven. I set that to bake. So I'm letting it bake in the oven. Bake, sometimes it depends on the strength of your oven. Sometimes it can take up to 2 hours because it's not very hot, it's just 300 degrees. Then it bakes, and this is what we come up with. I got it out from the oven, and this is how it looks. Doesn't look like much, right? No problem. So what I did, the next thing I did, I took it just as it is like this. As you can see, some of this things are already coming off from the bone. See, if you actually force it, you can get, this is the skin out from the bone, you know. So because when you bake it, it coils up to the bone, and most of the time you don't even have to do much. It just falls off on its own. If not, don't worry about it. Now it's the second part. So now we take the whole thing as it is, and I already have water boiling. I put it in the boiling water and keep on cooking it. I cook it for about 20 minutes. Okay, cook it for about 20 minutes in a pot. I put it in cold water. This is it. Can you imagine? Look at it. It's not getting stronger and stronger. I put it in cold water and leave it stay there for 2 days. You can store it in the fridge, not the freezer, the fridge, for 2 days. And during this time, it's getting stronger and bigger, and it's getting that texture of the kpomo and crunchiness. You have to do those 2 days, at least 2 days. If not, you rinse out the water and put under fresh water. If you don't have a fridge, you can just leave it in the room temperature. I actually did my room temperature. I just left it, didn't even put it in the fridge. But what I did every day, I rinsed out the water and put fresh water. Cold water. And then I leave it to stay. Cover it. And then after 2 days, not more than 2 days. After 2 days, you get this. This is the result you get. So we're good to go. You can use this. You know, this is already kpomo. Look at it. What else do you need? It's ready. Use this to cook your delicious African meal. So I hope you guys can try this. It's this is one of the cooking hacks we have here, because we don't really get to all those things we enjoy at home. It's not so easy to get by them here. Sometimes depends on where you live. So you can just manufacture your own kpomo. How about that? Or kandas. Even Ghanaians have a name for it. They call it Wele. So you can do your own Wele in your own house, your own kpomo in your own house. It's possible. Nothing is impossible. So now it's ready. It's very tough because it's not yet cooked. So now you just have to cook it soft enough to your taste, and then you're good to go. So guys, thank you so much. Vielen Dank. And I hope you try this from this to this. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, bis bald.